Want to rank on Google and YouTube faster without guessing keywords? In this video, I'll show you how to use powerful AI tools for keyword research that'll boost your content game like a pro. Let's dive in. Keyword research isn't just about finding popular words. It's about understanding what your audience is searching for and meeting them at the right intent. Whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or freelancer, it's your shortcut to being discoverable. Let's meet the heroes of today's workflow. These AI-powered tools don't just generate keywords, they help you predict search behavior and content trends. First, let's search for a topic like freelancing in Bangladesh. Ubersuggest shows us search volume, competition score, and CPC. Now, copy that keyword and feed it into KoalaWriter to see SEO-friendly blog post suggestions. Then head to Answer the Public to discover the top questions your audience is asking. Here's how to combine short-tail keywords like freelancing with long-tail ones like how to start freelancing in Bangladesh without experience. This mix helps you rank across both broad and niche queries. And there you have it. With AI tools in your arsenal, keyword research doesn't have to be intimidating. Try these tools, experiment with tags, and build your own content strategy. If you found this helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what niche you're working on.